Joey.
My name is Joey.
My name is Austin.
My name is Adam.
My name is Horatio, and we are doing the paper helicopter experiment today. What you have to do for this experiment is, what you need is paper clips and multicolored construction paper. Step 1 to do it is cut a rectangle of paper twice as long as it's wide, then cut 2 slits halfway down. Folding the 2 slits below the cuts to make a strip. Fold off the end of the strip and secure it with a paper clip. Then, cut a slit down the top, stopping before the middle. Fold one part up the top to the front and the other to the back. Hold your helicopter up high and let it go. What is supposed to happen is the heavier one is supposed to stay in the air longer, and the smaller ones are supposed to fall down faster. If we do it right, we're going to have to do this twice.
5, 4, 3. Make sure you're holding them all at the same height. 2, 1.
Joey, I won.
This is a chair.
Let's do it again. Just
You should do this.
first guidance.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just guidance. I won.
That Austin's hit.
Try it one more.
One more.
I always hit first.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I won.
Okay, you're done. Science.
Science behind it.
The science behind the experiment. As the helicopter falls, air pushes against its blades and make it turn the opposite directions. This makes the helicopter spin. A helicopter with shorter blades spins and falls faster, while a helicopter with longer blades stays in the air longer. That's it.